Hello my dear friends, and welcome back to another video on Denise's Beauty Corner. And today I wanted to show you how you can do your permanent lash curl extension, not extension, but permanent lash curl at home. And it actually feels like an extension because you are gonna get your lashes more curled, more curved, more open. Your eyes is gonna look more open. And I actually buy my lash curling kit from Aliexpress, and I have been talking about this on my main channel before, but I think I paid like $10 for it, but I also had to pay $10 shipping because I wanted to have it shipped from Europe. So you can choose if you want to have it shipped from China. It's no extra fees for the shipping. And I have been using mine I think like 10 times already, and I have not even gone through half the bottles. So you can do at least 20 lash curls with this batch. So it's super affordable, much better than to do it in a salon. It takes me like 25 to 30 minutes to do the whole application and everything, so it's super convenient to do it at home. And yeah, I hope that you're going to like this tutorial. It was actually something that was requested when I talked about this on my main channel. Some of you requested me to do a tutorial where I show how I am doing it step by step. So this is what I'm going to do today. It's not going to take too long because it's super quick and super easy. So I hope you're going to like this do-it-yourself kind of tutorial, and let me know in the comment sections down below what you think of this type of tutorial videos. If you want me to do more kind of tutorial videos, I would love to do it because I would love to help you out with easy tips and tricks on how you can do things yourself at home. So I hope you're going to enjoy this video, and make sure that you hit the little thumbs up and make comment down below and help me with the algorithm so more people can find my videos here. And make sure to subscribe also so you can be part of my wonderful YouTube family here. Of course, you will find the link down below if you do want to purchase the exact kit that I'm using. The little spoolie that I will show you is actually a spoolie from I bought that one from Aliexpress also, but it's actually from my brow pencil, and I'm just using the opposite side from my spoolie. And then I have cotton circles and cotton sticks and plastic, and then I just took the plastic, like my kitchen like wrapping plastic. You can take whatever plastic you have. So those things are not included in the kit, but except from that you have everything you need in the kit, and you can use only the things in the kit if you want to. It's just that I prefer to applicate with a spoolie. You will see when I'm doing the tutorial, you will see what I mean, but I will also link that spoolie that I have. But whatever spoolie you have, it will work perfectly. So you find everything that I use in the description box down below also. So now let's dig right into this tutorial.